Learn how to assemble and install the Wonder Pole by Stander. The Wonder Pole works in any room of the home with flat ceilings between 7 and 9.5 feet tall. It cannot be used on vaulted ceilings or inside a bathtub or shower. Before assembling, measure and confirm the exact height of your ceiling to ensure proper fit and correct configuration of pieces. With the ceiling height confirmed, remove all pieces from the box and identify each part. Next, locate Figure 2 in the user manual and use it to determine the correct stacking order when assembling the pole. To begin assembly, place the base plate labeled A on the floor in your desired location, then stack the 2 long tubes labeled B on top of it. Continue building upward by stacking the handle labeled Part C on top of Tube B, then add Part D with the threads and finish with Tube E on top. Now, place the plastic sleeve F over the top of Tube E and use it to cover the threaded section of Part D. Before continuing with assembly, locate Figure 3 in the user manual. Use Figure 3 to determine the final configuration of parts needed for assembly, as determined by your ceiling height. Use the remaining parts G, H, and I to finish assembly, according to the identified configuration in Figure 3. Please note that not all pieces may be required, and part I will always be the final piece installed. Next, lift cover F and locate the nut on threaded section D. Use the wrench to rotate the nut counterclockwise and tighten the pole. Continue to tighten the nut until the pole is completely secured between the floor and ceiling, with absolutely no sliding between them. Finally, with the pole securely in place, tighten the set screw in Part D with the tool labeled K. If desired, use the provided screws labeled L to fasten the top beam to the ceiling joists for added security. Fastening the pole is optional and not required. As needed, rotate the handle by pulling and releasing the knob on Part C. The handle rotates and locks into place every 45 degrees. If you have any questions about assembly of this product, please contact our customer service team at 844-213-9667.